Hello everyone, this is Celesta Matthews and today we are going to discuss a problem which is based upon file handling. So now let's read the question first. A file contains a list of telephone numbers in the following form, that is the name and the number is mentioned. The names contain only one word and the names and telephone numbers are separated by white spaces. Write a program using class object to store each set of data. To read the file and the output, the list in two columns, determine the phone number of the specified person and determine the name if a telephone number is shown. So first we'll look at the header files, what and all I have included. Okay, the first thing is IOStream, that is for input and output. Second one is FStream, that is you need to like if you want to include if stream and off stream, you need to include the header file FStream. And the third one is string.h, that is used for string compare. Okay. The first thing is we have a class called phone over here which has public functions, that is set data, display, search name and search number. Okay, so first is set data. How we'll declare it outside the class? We'll write the return type, then the class name and scope resolution operator and then the function name. Now I have taken int ch is equal to 1, string name and string number. I've asked the user to enter the name and the phone number. Now I'm running a while loop till the value of ch is 1. Now cout, enter the name. I take in the name and store it into the various string name, and I take the phone number and store it into string number. Now I write offstream Santo and I write the file name, that is phone.txt and iOS app. This iOS app stands for append mode. This means that whenever you open the same file, all the data that you enter will not be deleted. Instead, whatever data you enter will be inserted at the end of the file. So, and the other thing, the file name, that is the phone.txt. Santo is the name of the object. Now, Santo.setf, that is, okay, you are setting the values, iOS left and adjust field. Now, you are setting the width, that is 20, and I'm storing the name and I'm putting it into the file. Now, again, the same thing is done with the number, and I'm asking the user if he or she wants to repeat the process, and then I close the file. Now the second function is my display function. Over here you have string name and string number. I use ifstream because I need to only read from the file. So S is the name of the object. Again phone.txt and iOS app. I ask the user to display, I'm displaying the numbers of and the name and the number over here, that is iOS not s.eof. EOF stands for end of file. That means that it will be returning me 1 as soon as the file reaches the end. That means not of 1 gives me 0, and when as soon as it becomes 0 the loop will stop. Now this is the logic behind it, and here this kind of a symbol, this statement is used to take the values from the file. That means I'm extracting value from S and saving it into name. I'm extracting the value from S and saving it into number, and then simply I'm just printing the number. Next I have phone search name. Now over here I'm asking the user to enter a name so that I can search it out and display the number for that. It is a similar function where again I'm opening with ifstream, I'm running the loop till the end of the file, and the only difference here is the compare function, that is not name.compare search n. Search n has the value which the user has entered, and name will have the value which is being extracted from the file. So if this becomes true, then it is printed. The same thing is done with number, only the difference is that number is compared over here. Okay, we'll see the main function now. In the main method, I'm displaying the menu, that is 1 is to add data, 2 is for display, 3 is for search number, and 4 is for search name. I'm storing the value into ch and putting it into switch case. Over here, I have declared an object of the class phone. And I'm calling the respective functions over here, that is book.setData, book.display, book.searchName, and book.searchNumber. Okay, now we'll see the working of it. First of all, I need to enter data, that is one, name, suppose say Raju, number, maybe 6789. Okay, do you want to enter again? One, name, okay, I have entered three values over here. Now again I'll display the values. See, these are the values which is put up in the format. Names are over here and numbers over here. Okay, now I'll try to search for some number. Okay, I'll write Raju and see. This is the name and the number has already come over here. Now I'll try to search it in the other way. That is, I'll search for the name. I'll put in the number and I'll search for the name. So let's go for 4. Um, yeah, this, as soon as I enter the number, this gives me the name. So that was the functioning of my code. Hope you understood it. Thank you.